welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kim. Alright, so today I'm here with another hair video and I'll be talking about something so exciting. I feel like honestly I have not been this excited for a hair product or anything in quite some time, and I really can't wait to share it with you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and just jump right into it. So let's go. Alright, so today I will be talking about rice water. I'm probably like really late, but I feel like I've been hearing about rice water. I've heard about it growing up, like from like older relatives. Recently I feel like I've been seeing it more often, you know, the benefits of rice water. All these videos on YouTube about how rice water has grown so many females' hair and how it made their hair healthier, and like I've seen a lot of like just amazing before and after. So I just started thinking like rice water, like how though? Like it's just so simple. Like I just you know when it's just so hard to believe that something so simple could be so beneficial to your hair. Like I feel like us as people sometimes we're a bit skeptical when something seems too easy, it just seems too good to be true, and we just expect something that's gonna cost a whole bunch of money, or something that's gonna be really exclusive, or something that probably only rich people know about that we can't afford, or just a very complex product that has a lot of things in it that will be just super beneficial. I feel like that's just easier to believe than somebody telling you, hey, like just get some rice water and put it in your hair. Like exactly, right? So I'm just gonna go in and tell you guys what I did, and you know, all the benefits of rice water from what I've learned, and so on and so forth. So let's go. Disclaimer, I'm just learning about rice water along with you guys, so we'll kind of be learning together, because I do plan to incorporate this in my hair care routine. I don't want to come on here and preach to you guys and be like yeah when I've only used it one time, because let's be fair, even though I might have noticed some differences right now, it's not enough to come on here and be like this is what you need for your hair, right? So I'm going to be using this steadily for the next 6 months, probably longer than that, but after 6 months I'm gonna definitely give you guys like a before and after, kind of talk about what's been going on, and then I can really tell you like, listen, this is the holy grail, this is all you need. Like if you ain't doing it yet, you need to be doing it. So you can watch this video, you can watch along with me, you can try it along with me, or you can wait till the end, see if my hair falls off or whatever, and then try it then. So first of all, I'm just gonna tell you how I made this. It's really simple. There's 2 different ways that you can make rice water for your hair, and the first way is basically you just add rice to a bowl or a measuring cup, whatever, or a mason jar. You're gonna, of course, you want to rinse the rice. You can use any rice, white rice, brown rice, but they do say that organic rice is better, I guess, because it has less chemicals on it. Sometimes it highly processed rice will have like a coating over the rice grain, which would probably make the rice harder to penetrate with the water, which would kind of defeat the purpose. So it would be better to use organic rice. But if you don't have organic rice, just make sure you wash the rice really thoroughly to get rid of that coating and all the chemicals and stuff from top the rice. When you are doing the rice water, how I would say to use it, because the mixture that I'm going to show you guys that I kind of made a whole bunch. I did not know I didn't need that much, so I'm going to tell you guys from what I've learned what I think you need. I would say about half a cup of rice to a cup or a cup and a half of water, depending. And you're just going to switch the rice around just to help release all the nutrients and stuff from the rice, and you're gonna notice that the water is gonna start getting cloudy. That's exactly what you want. That's how you know that the water is soaking up the nutrients from the rice. Let this sit for about 30 minutes. That's just for the regular plain rice water. And then after that, you just strain it off, get rid of the rice, and that's it. Now for the rice water itself, of course, it is less potent. So this is safe to use on a weekly basis. I've heard people use this for like a pre-poo every week, like just put in a spray bottle like this, spray it on your hair, and then shampoo your hair as normal. And you can do this every single week if you want to, just jazz up your regular wash day routine. Or you can use it as a rinse after you finish washing and rinsing your hair. You just pour it all over your head. Now the other way to use rice water is to make fermented rice. To do this, instead of having the rice sit for 30 minutes, you will need to have it sit for at least 24 hours. I've also seen videos where I've seen people let it sit for up to 3 days. Of course, the longer you let it sit, the more fermented the rice will be. I personally wouldn't advise any more than 2 days because I had my rice sit for a day and a half, and I don't think you need any more than that. You will start to notice bubbles on top of the rice and everything to show you that it is fermenting. You will start to notice a very acidic, weird, just kind of like rotten, moldy rice smell. And usually once you finish washing your hair, the smell will go away. But if you want to be on the safe side, you can add a few drops of essential oils. I did add a couple of drops of lavender oil, so my rice water was smelling really nice. It just nice, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so really quickly I'm just gonna go over some of the benefits of rice water. All right, so and if you see me looking down at any given point, I also have some notes right here. Okay, so real quick, so using rice water improves the shine and volume. It improves the strength, the elasticity, your scalp health, split ends. Yes honey, it does it all. I'm telling you, this rice water is it's a business. Like, I'm gonna just keep talking. But anyways, so rice contains a lot of amino acids, which is proteins, which is actually what is beneficial for your ends. So if you have problematic ends, your hair is always frizzy, it's always you prone to split ends and stuff like that, then rice water is for you. It's made for you, I'm telling you. All you need to do, make the rice water, make it fermented because you actually need it to serve a purpose, and then just when you spray it on your hair, just make sure to like soak your ends in it or whatever, you know, just focus on your ends if that is the important part of your hair that you're really trying to focus on. For me, I want you to get the overall benefit, so I sprayed it in my scalp, I had it all over my hair. I just wanted to see what's really up with it. And it's also really rich in vitamin B1, which helps to reverse hair loss by relieving stress and gives your hair strength and bounce. It says that you can also have stronger, smoother, and healthier hair. It contains inositol, which is a carbohydrate that helps to repair and strengthen damaged hair. Rice water is also really good for, like I mentioned, scalp, because if you have issues with dandruff or anything like that, any scalp issues, eczema, it will be really good for you because it contains selenium, which helps to destroy Malaysia. I'm going to put the word right here because I'm pretty sure I sound stupid, but anyways, it helps to destroy that, and that is, I guess, what causes dandruff on your scalp. So rice water also contains a substance called Pitera, which helps to improve your hair's elasticity, thus making your hair stronger, softer, smoother. You know, it's like a good balance between proteins, your carbohydrates, and it also moisturizes, shines your hair, like all that good stuff. I'm telling you, it makes your hair thicker, fuller. It promotes cell regeneration. So if you are struggling with hair loss, there's certain parts of your hair that is thinning. So boys and girls, men, if you're balding and you don't want to be balding, try it out. Like, it's so cheap. I'm sure everybody has rice in their kitchen right now. It don't cost you nothing to try it. You got rice, you got water. Just make it and try it for yourself. Like, it's all natural, so it's not going to do anything. Now, what I will say to you is regular rice water has a higher pH than your hair, so you do want to make sure that you rinse it out. And as well as the fermented version of it really brings the pH a lot closer to mimicking what your hair's natural pH level is. So you should also bear that in mind. If you're going to use this method, if you're going to give it a try, as anything that I mentioned on here, be it henna, be it bentonite clay, whatever I talk about, don't just take my word for it, take it to the bank. Of course, you can always trust the information that I'm giving to you, but it helps. If you're going to do something to your body, do your own research. All right, so go ahead, look it up. There's probably some stuff that I've missed. Document like what changes is going on with your hair, that way you can know if it's benefiting you or if it is not. Also, if you are doing the fermented version of this rice water, the fermented version is a lot stronger. Let's say this is how much rice water you get, right? You're going to want to still dilute it at the end before you actually pour it over your head, because you can see it has settled particles in it, so you're gonna want to give it a good shake before you use it. It's strong, it's extremely cloudy, so it's strong. Like, you just need to dilute it. You need to make sure you rinse it properly from your hair, because it's strengthening. It's just like leaving a protein treatment on your hair. You don't want to use too much of this if you are protein sensitive. This is very high in amino acids. So if you're protein sensitive, I would advise maybe using it once a month. If you're not protein sensitive, I would still probably advise using the fermented version like every other week. I personally plan to use it every other week on my wash day. A lot of people have said that after you use it, you want to make sure you deep condition your hair or something, because it is high in proteins. Protein dries out your hair, and dry hair breaks off. So you just gotta know how to zazz it up. So what I did was I went ahead and I applied a conditioner to my head. After I washed it, I applied a conditioner, and then I sprayed this all over my hair on top of the conditioner. I'm gonna apply a plastic cap, all that good stuff. And I didn't want to spend all day in my hair, so I didn't want to have this on my hair sitting for an hour and then rinse it out and then deep condition for another hour. So I just did them both together, and I think the result I got was amazing, like really amazing. My hair was feeling so soft. And over the period of the next 6 months, what I'm trying to get from this is my ends are especially not damaged, but because of the color on my ends, like a lot of my ends have completely left me. They just snapped off and went about their business, especially in the middle section here. So I want to see if, for one, how much hair growth I'm gonna get, because it's said to give you good hair growth. 2, it's supposed to strengthen your ends and all that stuff. So my ends are stronger. That means that they shouldn't be breaking off. So at the end of 6 months, I expect to see my hair a lot more like evened out, the parts that broke off. I expect my hair to grow so much that I can trim off like the straggly ends, so my hair should look fuller. I want it to be probably a little bit thicker, because I will never complain. My hair is relaxed, so a little more body would be good for me. And just shinier, healthier. Sometimes my scalp gets really dry and itchy, so I just feel like I just want to see what's going to happen after 6 months. I feel like it's going to be really lit. Yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys are excited for this little rice water series, then if you plan to give this a try, comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you know any other benefits of rice water, comment down below, so that other people who watch the video can read it and learn something, or each one teach one. Like, I don't know everything. I'm not on here claiming that I know everything about rice water. I'm some rice water guru. So just share your information, do your own research, and just let me know if you're gonna give it a try. And if you ain't a part of the family, subscribe so you can see my wonderful little hair growth journey. Girl's gonna get her hair down to, I don't know, tailbone or waist length maybe. But yes. And yes, I also do makeup videos, I do vlogs, I do all types of stuff, I do product reviews. So there's something here for you. If you don't like this video, there's something else here. And what I'm gonna do is, before I go, I'm gonna place a video right here. So don't go nowhere, just watch this video. Give this one a thumbs up, share it with your friend. Until next time, bye.